I think I'm live. Guys, please confirm if you are watching. I'm audible and visible to you. If anyone is watching, please let me know. Please confirm. Please confirm if you are watching. I'm audible and visible to you. If anyone is watching, please confirm if I am audible to you. I think I am live. Yeah, now people started joining. 5 people have joined. Okay. Probal solution. Hi. Galla, hi. Hello, brother. Please let me know I am audible. If I am audible, say yes in the comment section. Say yes in the comment section if I am audible to you and visible to you. Today I will talk on one special topic. This is an opportunity for you. But please confirm first, am I audible or not? If I am audible, say yes. You are audible in the chat. Sankar Karan, okay. Sankar Karan is saying yes, audible. Bosai is saying yes, you are audible. Bosai, you are my member. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining the PM Networking YouTube Premium membership and hope all videos are accessible for you. Arun Kumar is saying yes, audible. Thank you, Arun. Thank you, Sankar. Thank you, Bosai, for the confirmation and for the joining. Bosai, it is for you. Hope all the videos are accessible for you on PM Networking YouTube channel as you are the member and even you are the premium member. I think you are the member from last 3 to 4 months. Bosai, very helpful, sir. Thank you for non-stop teaching. Most welcome, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your feedback. Non-stop teaching. Yes. Yeah, I try to upload the content every day. My experience, my knowledge. Every day I am trying to share my experience, my knowledge on the social media so that others can get benefit. Budhika sir, when will you be starting CCNA and CCNP online classes? See, recently we have started one CCNA plus CCNP. The another trainer is taking that batch. I am also going to start my batch soon, right? But before that, I am planning something big because many people are suffering in the industry, right? To get job, to get growth, right? Yesterday also I had live on my YouTube channel and many people were asking about the job only, that not able to get job in the company, about their package, right? Package is very low. How I can take my package to the next level? My professional life is not growing, right? So CCNA and CCNP batch continuously I am taking CCNA and CCNP batch in the weekdays from Monday to Friday 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. This slot is fixed. This is my fixed slot for CCNA plus CCNP combo course. Sir, can we access your lab in our GNS3? You can set up your lab in GNS3. Why you will access my lab, right? If you are working somewhere, your company will have different design. Yes, so you need to design the project or lab in the GNS3 or even G according to your existing experience, according to your existing knowledge. Let's say someone has a goal to master the OSPF routing protocol in 2 weeks, right? So they are going to design the lab based on OSPF routing protocol. They will practice OSPF LSA7, they will configure ASVR, AVR router, they will verify all the flags, all the bits, all the LSAs, right? So according to your need, you can design your own lab in the GNS3, right? That will be better. Otherwise, many lab are available on my YouTube channel, like in the description of my YouTube videos you will find the GNS file, so you can download that GNS file and you can import that lab in your GNS. It will work, right? For the troubleshooting, every time I am setting my lab, that see this was the issue and how I have fixed this issue, and same issue is still there in the lab. So you can also try it by yourself. Just download the lab from the description and start troubleshooting it. GNS3 and EVE-NG, which RAM config is best? See brother, if you will ask me, if you are going to ask to me that Praful, which tool is the best to practice networking project, then I will tell you 3 names. First, packet tracer. You should also have the packet tracer, you should also have the GNS3, you should also have the EVE-NG. EVE-NG can take some time to start the lab, right? Let's say I need to test few things. Let's say I need to test OSPF routing protocol between 2 routers. I will prefer packet tracer because within few seconds, within 20 to 30 seconds, I can start the packet tracer software. I can design the lab and I can start configuring. I can start testing. For the routing, for the advanced routing, which is not possible in packet tracer. In the packet tracer, all the commands are not available, right? So for the routing, again I will recommend you GNS3. That okay, for advanced routing like route filtering or the BGP community, BGP attributes, BGP best path selection, OSPF best path selection, OSPF LSAs, OSPF route filtering, area filterings. So you can perform these all labs in the GNS3. GNS3 is the best simulation software for routing. Packet tracer is the best simulation software in the world for the basic networking. And if you want to practice the complete enterprise network, then you have only one option, that is EVE-NG, like the switching, routing, servers. You want to combine everything. ICE, you want to test something on ICE, Cisco ICE. You want to test something of Cisco SD-WAN, SDN. Then you will go for EVE-NG. So as a network engineer, you should have these 3 tools in your laptop. Packet tracer, don't need any RAM. GNS3, for the GNS3 definitely you need good hardware. For the EVE-NG you need best hardware. But if you are the network engineer, if you are working in this industry, you should have guys best hardware as well, so that you can set up these simulation software and where you can practice everything, right? Every day you should involve yourself in these simulation softwares, right, in the configuration. So all are best, all these 3 are best. For the basic testing, go with packet tracer. Within 20 to 30 seconds you can open the packet tracer and you can start configuring the things. For the routing and advanced routing, go with GNS3. For the routing, switching or for complete enterprise network, go with EVE-NG. All are best and all are required. Sir, but for networking, how now vacancy now? No, I didn't get your question. For firewall, which is the best? I will recommend you to learn the Palo Alto firewall, but if you want to understand the technology behind firewall, then again ASA firewall is the best, right? The Palo Alto firewall is guys in demand, right? Palo Alto is leader in the security domain, in the firewall domain. But if you want to learn the technology, then go with ASA. If you know the ASA firewall, you can learn any other firewall by yourself. You can learn Palo Alto by yourself. You can learn Checkpoint by yourself. You can learn Fortinet by yourself. But if you know the Palo Alto firewall, you cannot learn the ASA by yourself. Again, you need proper training for that. So ASA is technology, right? You know why we are on the CCNA only? CCNA and CCNP only, because CCNA and CCNP teaches the technology, teaches all the routers, not the Cisco specific, not the vendor specific. If we know the Cisco router configuration, we can configure other vendor router by on self as well, right? You can configure by yourself the Aruba switch, the Juniper routers. Similarly, if you have the good command, good understanding on ASA firewall, you can learn the Palo Alto firewall by yourself, no problem. How AI will occupy networking job? AI is not going to occupy the networking job. AI, guys, whenever technology updates, the demand are increasing, not decreasing. AI is creating more network engineer job, right? So many companies are looking for skillful engineers, right? So you cannot say automation can kill the network engineer job. No, bro, never. That is not possible. We cannot say AI can kill the network engineer job. Not possible. It creates job, right? But if you are thinking that no, Praful, there is no job in the networking industry, that means you have not updated yourself. Today in 2025, we need to learn the modern networking, guys. The traditional routing switching has gone, right? Now today's network is not all about router and switch, right? I had told you the same thing in previous live session as well, that today's network is not all about routers and switches. Earlier, enterprise network was all about router switch, but today in 2025, you should have knowledge about firewall also. You should have knowledge about automation also. Again, not the complete automation, but you should have the basic knowledge of Python. You should have basic knowledge of automation tools like Ansible, NetConf. You should have knowledge about the SDN, modern networking. You should have knowledge about the cloud. If you have the basic knowledge of multiple technologies, these all are the updated technologies, are in use in the industry, then you can get job very easily. It's very easy. It's not tough. How about checkpoint firewall? Checkpoint firewall is also good. You can go with checkpoint as well. But again, what I told you, if you want to learn the technology of firewall, then go with ASA. Otherwise, if you are looking for job, you can directly go with checkpoint or Fortinet or the Palo Alto. These three are leader in the market in the Palo Alto, right? Like Cisco is the leader for routers, Cisco is the leader for switches, Cisco is leader for the ICE. Cisco has only one popular device in the security domain, that is ICE. Nowadays we are not using IPS, IDS even, right? Companies are moving from the IPS, IDS and firewall, the ASA firewall, right? Today's you need to learn the updated firewall, right? Advanced firewall, which is the Palo Alto firewall, right? Where you are going to learn the stateful behavior, the deep packet inspection, application inspection, how we can scan the content which is inside the message. That is not possible in the Cisco ASA firewall, right? So go with modern firewall, any next generation firewall. You can go with Palo Alto, Checkpoint or Fortinet. All are good. I am none from IT and I want to learn which one will be the best course, CCNA or cloud security or computing. Brother, let me tell you one thing. See, you cannot become a cloud engineer directly. You have to go through networking only, right? If you want to become a cloud engineer, you have to learn the network fundamental first. CCNA should be the mandatory for everyone in the IT industry, even for the software engineers also. If a software developer is going to learn CCNA, it is going to help them as well, right? So definitely you should start with CCNA. If you have the good foundation of networking, you can learn any advanced technologies very easily. But if you are thinking that directly I will learn cyber security, that is not possible, right? And today in 2025, guys, we should learn the networking in cloud. how networking is working on cloud. Many times I told you we should not spend much time on traditional routers and switches configurations. We should not spend much time on accessing the devices. You don't need to sit in front of routers, switches, in front of rack and access it and then configure it manually. No. Companies are moving guys from the manual configuration. Today in 2025 you don't need to learn the manual configuration, trust me. Every companies are using cloud based infrastructure, means they guys are managing their infrastructure through cloud. You need to learn the centralized configuration, centralized management, right? Now in the production there is no one who is accessing the devices through console, right? Few a small company, the old company who have the legacy application are using the traditional WAN, but the good and large MNCs, these all companies are moving towards SDN, towards the modern networking. Even if you will check the CCNA syllabus, Cisco has also added the AI content there, automation content there, the Python is there in the CCNA, in your CCNA, yes. Earlier there was routing switching, and still many people are thinking that I am good in CCNA and they only know the routing and switching. They don't know what is the content of security in the CCNA. In the CCNA there is IPS, IDS, firewall, right? Ansible is there, netconf is there. These are the automation tools. Cloud topics are there, AI topics are there, 10% AI contents are there in CCNA 200301. But many people are just learning the routing switching, right? That is older version of CCNA, that is very old. That is not going to help you today in 2025, trust me. There is no any logic of spending much time on routing and switching. Still, network fundamental is very important, right? Even in the cloud networking, you have to learn the DNS, you have to learn the DHCP, you have to learn the IP addressing, you have to learn the TCP IP model. Fundamental is still important. And again, I am not saying that you should not learn the OSPF routing protocol, BGP routing protocol. Definitely you should learn it, but you should not spend much time on the traditional router configuration, even on the manual configuration, because nowadays manual configurations are not in demand and companies are not looking for engineer who has knowledge of manual configuration, because we are configuring the devices, we are managing the devices through software, through controllers. So you should have good knowledge of controller based configuration, how we can configure the devices through software. And again, you should not be the master, at least you should start from the very basic. Try to configure the IP address on router through a script, right? At the initial you can try to learn how to configure the IP address on router through Ansible, right? How to configure the host name, write the script. Learn the centralized based configuration. Learn WAN edge devices configuration through controllers, through your vManage, right? For an example, guys, there is a company like Google. Google has lakhs of data center around the globe. All are connected. At each side, let's say 2 routers are there, 2 WAN edge routers are there. That means 2 lakhs routers are there in their infrastructure. 2 lakhs WAN edge devices are there. But Google is managing their all routers from one centralized location, even from the cloud, through one software. That is only controller, and that software can be installed on our own server, that is called premises, or it can be deployed over the cloud. And as a network engineer, you will have access to that software through internet. You can work from your home, right? From your home you can access the controller, access the software, and you can manage 2 lakhs router from your bedroom. This is the modern networking, and this is what you need to learn today. I have seen many people are spending much time, are sitting in front of racks where lots of routers, switches are there. They are accessing through console cable, and they are just practicing whole days. Oh, router OSPF, one router, this whole day they are just configuring the old traditional routings and switching. That means you are guys wasting your time. Yes, you should avoid it. The best simulation to practice as a network engineer is your EVNG. Really, you don't need the physical devices today in 2025 to practice the networking task. You should practice in the EVNG, where you should have all the controllers, devices, software and everything you can set up, right? If you are going to make your first account on the GCP, on Google Cloud, right, these guys are going to give you the some space at free of cost for next, I think, 3 months. So for 3 months you can practice the networking task on GCP. See, you are going to learn the multiple things here. How to create the VPC on the cloud, means you are running the cloud. At the same time, you are going to configure the subnet there, subnetting. You are going to learn the networking fundamentals in the cloud. And after that, once you will have the lab set up on the Google Cloud, you will learn the SDN configuration. You can try to deploy the vManage, and after that you can access the vManage from your bedroom, and then you can try to manage some routers through the controller. So this practice is required in 2025 in the today's network. And if anyone is there who has some knowledge of cloud, also knowledge of SDN, they are spending time every day to improve their updated skills, because every time you have to update your skills, guys. Then only you can grow your professional life. Technologies are updating every day. New people are joining the internet, right? Many devices, lakhs, thousand, lakhs, million of devices are increasing per month on the internet. So network size is getting larger, right? Network size is getting larger. Earlier the network size was small. That's why manual configuration was sufficient, right? We were able to manage everything manually. But today's network size is very large. We cannot manage it manually. So that's why everyone is moving towards automation. And now when everyone is moving towards automation, every company is moving towards automation, at that time, if you are spending your whole days in traditional technologies, sometimes I have also seen some people are learning the frame relay. Guys, is there any logic of learning frame relay today? No. There is no any logic of learning frame relay today. At least you should have the idea about frame relay, just to understand the Ethernet technology, like what it was, how it was working, that's it. We should not test the frame relay in the GNS3. Instead of checking the frame relay, you should spare your time and invest your time to learn the modern networking. And if you are going to update yourself, if you are going to update your skill, trust me guys, it's very easy to get job in the industry, and demand for network engineers is keep increasing. Demand is huge, available engineers are very less. Companies are looking for SD-WAN engineers who has good knowledge of SD-WAN policies. But people knows only one type of policy that trainer has teach them in class. But there are infinite policy in the SD-WAN. There is no any limit of policy that hey, there are 12 attributes in BGP learning. There is limitation, right? These are the path manipulation options available for the EIGRP learning. It is not like this. In the SD-WAN guys, there is no limitation of policy. Whatever you can think, you can implement, you can configure. So if you have the innovative mind, you can also develop something new. And if you can develop something new, then definitely your professional life will grow exponentially. Right? So why today I am here in the live session? CCIE, which one? CCIE is the best, brother. CCIE is the best. can't program for those abroad. Yes, brother, we are teaching, I am teaching globally. I have already trained more than 10,000 students across 130 countries. More than 2 lakhs IT professionals are connected to me on my social media platform. They all are learning every day, they all are getting benefit in their life. And more than 2,000 students are placed in the top MNCs company. They all are connected with me on my WhatsApp, through my Telegram community. We are calculating the improvement every years. And they all are growing because they all are updating themselves. So doesn't matter where you are, what I am trying to tell you here, that you don't need to spend time to visit physical institute today in 2025. No. Learn from your home. And even you should try to find job which offer remote jobs, work from home, so that you can save time every day to go office and come home, or go institute to learn and come home. We should save our unnecessary time and we should utilize it in the better way. We should utilize it to learn the modern things, modern technologies. Every day, if you will ask to me that Praful, are you still learning? So guys, every day I am spending my 2 hours on learning and 5 to 6 hours for teaching. 5 to 6 hours for teaching. Even when I am working in the industry, when I am doing the job of my company, at that time also I am teaching someone. Sometimes I am teaching to my juniors. Sometimes I am teaching to my teams. Sometimes I am teaching to my students. Sometimes I am teaching on YouTube. Sometimes I am teaching on LinkedIn. Sometimes I am teaching on Facebook. More than 2 lakhs IT professionals are connected to me on the social media platform. More than 700 paid members are there on my YouTube channel, guys. They all are paying 89 rupees, around $1 every month, just for few premium contents. And every week I am uploading one premium content for the members. So why people are paying every month to me? It means they are learning, they are updating themselves, they are getting benefit from my content. And apart from these all, I am also providing the corporate training sometime. I love to work on updated technology. I have 3 years of experience on SD-WAN technology, guys. I worked on SD-WAN with various companies on various projects. I know each and everything about the SD-WAN policies. I know all the features of security on various devices in the SD-WAN. I know the Catalyst Center, DNA. So how it is possible? It is only possible because every day I am learning. I am spending some time in the learning. So you should not stop the learning. Doesn't matter you are the fresher, beginner, just planning to start your career in the networking industry, or you are the working professional, you are working at L1, L2, L3, tech engineer, admin, network admin. Doesn't matter where you are in your life. But if you are in the tech industry, every time you have to learn and you have to update yourself. Then only you can grow. It is not like today I am going to master CCNA, CCNP, and after that I am going to work for next 20 years. Only I will focus on my job. No. Every time, every 6 months, 1 year, you have to update yourself. You have to follow the news, the community. You have to join the multiple communities to involve yourself. You have to share your thought, questions. You have to answer to other questions in the same community. Then your professional life will grow. What I told you, I have connected with more than 2 lakhs IT professionals, with network engineers. Those all are working in the industry. We are exchanging our thoughts. If anyone is there who don't know me, सर नेटवर्क में इंग्लिश का क्या रोल है, पैकेज पर इफेक्ट पड़ता है क्या? डेफिनेटली पड़ता है. You should, guys, let me talk about the other skills. Apart from the technical skill, is there any other skills required to grow our professional life? Guys, if I will talk about myself, so in 2017 I was not able to speak English. Yes, I was not able to speak English. I was talking in my mother tongue. Even today my English is not too good. Yes, I know this, but I am able to express my knowledge, my thought, my idea in front of anybody in English. So what happened in 2017? In 2017, when I entered in the IT, I understand that, Praful, if you want to grow after spending around 6 months, I understand that, Praful, if you want to grow in this industry, then you have to speak English. There is no any other way. I said, no, it is not possible. I cannot learn the English. I am very old. At that time, I was around 20. So at the age of 20, Praful, how you can learn the English? Because English is a language, it is a fundamental, right? So how you can develop the English speaking skill at the age of 20? You should learn it in the schooling time. So at that time, guys, I had two options. Either I should survive with the same speaking skill, or I should try. Right? So I try to learn. I started learning from the zero, from the scratch, like A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, from there. Because trust me, I was not able to speak. Even if you are going to check my first video, the oldest video on the YouTube channel, right? You will see there how I am speaking English. I was saying router, I don't know. At that time, you can check my first video, how I was speaking, just 3 years back. But when I started learning, when I started spending 15 to 20 minutes every day to improve my speaking skills, I started getting benefit. And today, I am able to express my knowledge, thought, idea, experience in front of anyone in English. Right? So, see, you don't need to be expert in English, but at least you should have ability to express your knowledge in front of interviewer, in front of your team, in front of your manager, in front of your colleague in English. Yes. But don't worry if your English is not good. No worry at all. You can start learning today, and in next 6 months, you will see a remarkable improvement. Just spend 10 to 15 minutes every day for next 6 months and see the improvement. If someone can learn the technology, guys, if someone can learn the CCNA, CCNP, for them learning English is nothing. Improving their English speaking skill is nothing. This is my personal experience, trust me. It's very easy. Anyone can develop English speaking skill in just 6 months by spending 10 to 15 minutes every day for the practice. But you have to be disciplined. You have to be strict on your decision that Praful, you have made the decision to spend 15 to 20 minutes every day for communication skill. Now, you have to be strict on your decision, right? Guys, discipline is very important for growth, right? If you are the working professional or just planning to enter in the industry, every time your discipline is going to decide how your professional life will grow. Discipline means how you are strict on your decision. Today you have decided that, okay, in next 2 months I am going to master CCNP, or let's say, for an example, let's make a small goal. I have made one goal today that in next 2 weeks I am going to master the BGP protocol. This is my goal. I have written this goal on the paper. right? Now my goal is on paper, right? That means it is clear and crystal. Now from tomorrow I have to be strict on my decision that okay, from this time to this time I will be learning the BGP, I will be doing the lab of BGP, I will be testing, I will be reading the article on the internet, I will be watching the video on YouTube. And after 2 weeks, if you are going to spend, if you are disciplined, if you are strict on your decision, then after 2 weeks, definitely you will be master in the BGP. Right? So, discipline is very important, and yes, English is required. Is a CCIE for fresher best? No, CCIE is not for fresher. CCIE is not for fresher. CCIE is for experienced one. Or if you are the fresher and looking for job, then you can go with CCIE. CCNA to CCIE, not directly CCIE. You cannot learn the CCIE directly. You have to go through CCNA. So guys, today live session is for the same thing. Let me tell you the purpose of this live session. Sir, please share a roadmap for BCA fresher in the networking industry. Sahib, Miti, just I am telling you, see, doesn't matter you are BCA, BCom, BTech, MTech. If you have passion, first of all, you should check that you are interested in networking or not. Guys, if you are not interested in the networking, then no one can teach you the networking. Everything is practical, right? You are going to learn the same thing which you are using every day through your mobile phone. You are going to access the internet, right? You are going to transfer some money to your friend through PhonePe, Paytm, through PayPal. This is what? This is networking. This is possible just because of networking. So make sure you are very interested to learn the technology. Then only I can or anyone can teach you. If you are not interested, no one can teach you. If you are interested, very interested, dedicated, passionate, you can learn by yourself as well without buying any paid course. So your dedication is important, your interest is important, your passion is important. So ask this question to yourself that I don't know what's your name. Sahib, say, hey Sahib, are you really interested in the networking? Are you curious about knowing how the things are working, how we are able to send a message from India to Dubai in just few milliseconds, how everything is working? If I am sending 5 rupees to my friend, why it is not going anywhere else? How it is going to my friend account only? If you are interested, then welcome. Doesn't matter where you are BTech pass, MCA pass, BCom pass or 12 pass. If you have the graduation degree, it will be easy for you to get the job. But anyone can make career in this industry. And today guys, I have the same purpose for this live session. You know why I'm live here today? Because many people were asking about the job, about the career guidance. Yesterday I had taken one live session for the career guidance, and many people messaged me on WhatsApp regarding their jobs, regarding their career, that I am BCA pass, I am BCom pass, I am BTech pass and doing some non-technical job. I am interested to learn networking, but tell me how I can get the job. Even some people are saying that I tried my best, even I have invested some money, but after spending lots of time, effort, energy, still I am at the same place. I am not able to get job in the industry. Companies are not hiring Praful. There is no job role available for network engineer Praful. I am done with CCNA and CCNP. One guy was saying, I am done with CCNA and CCNP. I said, are you sure? He said, yes, I am master. I said, then what is the issue? Why you are not able to get job? I thought to analyze the issue. Why many people are saying that job is not available? I try to analyze it. I asked him to connect in a personal meeting. I have connected him in my personal Zoom meeting, and then I asked some question. Where was the issue? Issue was he had prepared he himself very well, but not in the modern networking. He had good commands on routing and switching, but guys, routing and switching is not sufficient, right? Again and again I am saying, through routing and switching you cannot get job in the today's networking world. In the today's IT networking world, you have to be the updated network engineer, right? Companies are looking for hybrid engineer. Hybrid means who has basic knowledge of on-premises as well as the basic knowledge of cloud, right? Means you have the knowledge of SD and you have the knowledge of automation. At the same time, you have the basic knowledge of routing and switching as well. But what is happening? People are master in the routing and switching, but they don't know anything about automation. They don't know even what is Ansible. They don't know what is cloud. They don't know about the cloud networking. That was the issue. After that meeting, I called to my team. I told everyone to come in the Zoom meeting to discuss something. And we planned a batch for those who have recently completed their graduation with 100% job guarantee bond paper, right? We talked on two programs. One, 100% job guarantee program, and the second one, this was the planning of my team. 100% job guarantee program. Praful, let's do one thing. If you want to help million of people around the globe, then launch 100% job guarantee program. Show your dedication and place each and every students in the industry at good package. I said, okay, that is possible, 100% that is possible. But who will guarantee about the student that a student is also going to give their 100%? I said, I am ready to give my 100%. Even till now, I am giving my 100%. Whenever I am teaching people, I try to cover maximum thing, the practical thing. My training is so practical, guys. You can see on YouTube. I am teaching the troubleshooting, right? Practical, real-time scenarios. I said, okay, till now I am giving my 100%. But if you guys, to my team, if you guys are going to support me, then I will give my 200% to deliver my best. But who will guarantee about the student? If they will not perform the lab, then what I can do? Then it will be very difficult for me to find job for him. Then my team said, then okay Praful, you tell me what we can do. So I said, okay, let's do one thing. If we know one thing, I said, I know one thing, that if I am going to give my 200% and students are also going to give me 200%, then I have ability to place anyone in top MNC company in just 6 months. I need your 6 months, that's it. In 6 months, if you are the dedicated, passionate, right, the hard worker, I can place you anywhere. Doesn't matter if you have the dream to work in Google, Amazon, Cisco, Juniper, doesn't matter where you want to work. I can place you anywhere in 6 months, but you should be very dedicated, very passionate. So I said, okay, let's do one thing. I am ready to give my 100%. Let's make one program. The name of program can be CCNA to CCIE 100% career growth program, career growth mentorship program. What I am saying, CCNA to CCIE 100% growth mentorship program, where we will provide the best training with the hands-on. After that, we'll also recommend people to improve their communication skill. If anyone is not able to express their knowledge in English, we will work on their communication skill as well. And if in 6 months, if I can teach someone CCNA, CCNP, SD-WAN and Palo Alto, then I am damn sure, 100% sure, they can even get job by their own self. They don't need our support. So instead of promising 100% job from our side on the bond paper, launch this program, 100% career growth program, 100% career growth mentorship program, where I am responsible to provide the world best technical training. And guys, I have confidence on this. Yes, I have confidence. Like, I can teach SD-WAN to anyone, even to the layman. Even layman can understand my teaching. So again, after that, team said, okay, you already have the combo batch. You are already taking the combo batch from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. How you will manage the class in the daytime? You have the office and sometimes the corporate training and those all things. Let's do in the weekend. I said, no, this is not possible in the weekend. In the weekend, it is not possible. In the weekend, guys, it is going to take 5 years to improve your technical skills till the level which are required to get job in top MNC. It can take much time, and even in the weekend it is not possible, because there will be gap of 5 days in our training, right? We are not going to connect for 5 days from Monday to Friday. So I cannot connect with you. I cannot connect with a student. I said, in the weekend it is not possible. I cannot connect with a student, and if I cannot connect with a student, then I cannot promise you that a student will learn definitely. Right? So I said, do one thing, just ship the combo batch from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. That is sufficient. The current combo batch, which is about to finish, it will take 10 to 15 days. Or you can plan this new batch after 10 to 15 days. And my all team members are agree with me. They all said, okay, let's do one thing. Let's start the batch from the last week of this month, this combo, this special batch, where I am going to give my 200%. But guys, this is not for everyone. This is only for those who are dedicated, who are passionate, who has dream, who want to live a life which you have imagined for yourself. Then this program is for you. If you are thinking that I am suffering to get job in the top MNCs in the IT industry, someone said I am BCA pass, BCom pass, BTech pass. Some are saying that earlier I was preparing for software engineer, I was learning the Java, right? But I am not interested. What other options I have? How I can enter in the IT industry by another skill? So this is for those guys who have just completed the graduation and want to start their career in IT with the top MNC company, or for those who are already working in the industry but their professional life is stuck because of their skills. They don't have knowledge of modern technologies. So name of this program, I don't know that this name is final or my team is going to modify something there. But name is CCNA to CCIE. But guys, I am going to teach you CCNA, CCNP, SD-WAN, Palo Alto, BGP, OSPF, MPBGP, VRF, MPLS. These all topics. These course will make you job ready. And after this, you can get job by yourself as well. Even you don't need my help. Right? And if this program will succeed, if this will work, then in future we'll love to help others as well. So there is one limitation that I said no, we can not try with maximum students. Let's have a limitation of 20 students. I was talking to Arun, who is my team member. I said, Arun, I need 20 students for 6 months. And they all should be passionate, hardworking and dedicated. And let me place them in top MNC company in the world. I will try to provide you the remote job, that you are providing the support from your bedroom to the international company. This program will also help you to do the freelancing work, because you will have the updated skill, guys, which are in demand nowadays. Right? Which are in demand nowadays. So if you have the updated skill, like let's say if I am free here today, I am free for next 1 hour. I can post on my social media platform that okay, from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I am available. Many company will try to connect to me for the technical support. Many companies has the pending project, task. So I can also do the freelancing work if I have time. But guys, I am founder of a private limited company. I have a team of more than 20 people. I am also getting experience on the updated technologies. Because of that, I am still working in the industry. Definitely I am working remotely, but still I am connected to the industry. At the same time, I am teaching people on YouTube, I am taking live classes, and I have achieved these all things just because of my networking skills. Otherwise, I told you in 2017, I was not able to speak English. Right? So we are just planning this batch. Till now, we have not decided what will be the title, but we are planning something like this for those who are graduate, who are working in the industry but stuck somewhere. This program will help you to get job in top MNCs, will help you to do the freelancing work, and even if you will have the good understanding, then you can join us as well. You can join the PM Networking as your first company, and you can start your career from here in the IT. Right? And in this course, we are going to definitely include many features, like whatever features are required. Definitely, if you need job, you are going to practice. Right? You have to work on more than 100 projects in the EVNG. And when you are going to perform the task, perform the configuration on the advanced technologies, definitely you will have doubt. So there should be a guys who should be available 24/7 to support you. Right? You should also have the access to my WhatsApp number so that you can connect to me as well if you need to discuss something which is apart from the class. Right? So you will be allowed to connect with me in the Zoom meeting. Right? So 1-to-1 Zoom meeting session should be there for the dot clearing. Then there should be multiple trainers available to support 20 students. By the way, there will be 20 students only, so we can manage it, but still the system is required. And this way, if I can prepare you to get job in top MNC company, guys, it is going to be my growth. It is going to be my growth. First it's my growth, then it's your growth, right? And people are saying that it's difficult to find job, but guys, for you it's difficult to get job, but for company hiring the correct engineer, the skillful engineer, is very difficult. The big challenge is for company, for the corporate who need engineer, right? Let's talk about the Google only. The Google has, let's say the Google has SD-WAN infrastructure. One engineer is there who is managing the India data center. One engineer is there who is managing the data center. What if that engineer will resign? It will be very, very difficult to find the SD-WAN engineer who has the good commands on policies quickly, because they have to hire quickly, same days, right? Definitely there will be backup, that okay, if he will leave the company immediately, if he is going to turn off their mobile phone, that who will manage the infrastructure? So demand is huge, right? Skillful engineers are required. And if I will launch this program, then definitely my target will be improving your skills to place you in the top MNC. But I can, it will be not better to provide the 100% job guarantee program. Better will be 100% career growth mentorship program, so that you have to be also very dedicated. So, many times why people are not getting job. People are enrolling in the institute, like in the yesterday live session also one guy was telling the name of one institute, that there I have enrolled and I am not getting job. Reason is, some institutes are signing the bond paper that we will provide you the 100% job, and now people are feeling relaxed that okay, it is the responsibility of the training institute, he will give me the job, why I will work, let's relax, right? So institutes are not going to do any magic, right? There is no any magic. I cannot do any magic to place you in the industry. To place you in the industry, I have to improve your technical skills. At the same time, if your communication skill is not good, if you don't know how to express my knowledge in English in front of interviewer, then you have to improve the English speaking skill as well. And this way, if you are going to work on your skill with a proper guidance, with a proper support for next 6 months, then there is no one who can stop you to move further in your life. If you are working at L1 position in a small company and you have dreamed to work in Google, Amazon, Cisco tech engineer, many people has dreamed to work as a Cisco tech engineer. It's very easy, guys. I can join Cisco as a tech engineer in just 2 minutes. Just I need to share my resume to Cisco. Tomorrow will be my interview, and just day after tomorrow I will start working there. Many people are suffering to get CCNA exam. If I am going to write the exam 100 times I will get the certificate. You need to learn only once. You need to learn only once, and after that you have to keep updating, right? So what people are doing mistake is, let's say one engineer, one person is there, person A. So person A had joined the company 10 years back. 10 years back they had learned CCNA, CCNP, that means routing switching. Let's say this person A has had learned CCNA, routing and switching 10 years back. On the basis of routing and switching skills, they started working in the industry. Let's say in the Airtel, NOC they have started. Who is calling? Let's say they have started working in the NOC. Let's say for an example, Airtel NOC, Network Operation Center. And from last 10 years, he is working in the NOC. Maybe now he is at layer 2, L2 position. But they didn't update themselves. They didn't update their skills. And today he want to get job in Cisco. Is it possible, guys? No. Why it is not possible? Because there is a huge gap in their skills. 10 years back, routing switching was the demanding skill, but today it is not required. Today's companies are not using routing switching. Companies are not hiring engineers to perform the manual configuration. Companies are hiring engineers to write the script, to configure the devices through software. Companies are managing their infrastructure through cloud. So in this case, how they will get job in the Cisco? Is it possible? It is not possible, guys. Right? So if you are like a person A, that you are already in the industry but you have not updated yourself, then this upcoming program can be life changing for you. If we will launch it, right? Even I am not sure that 100% we will launch this program, because guys, first thing is, I don't want to promise the 100% job, because why I will promise 100% job? It's not my responsibility. I am a network engineer. I love teaching. I love to share my experience, share my knowledge. I can help you to get job, but I cannot promise you, right? Well, I will promise you that I will give you 100% job. This is not my concern. I can promise you that I will provide you the world best Cisco training, world best cloud training, world best security training. But after that, by using that skill, how to get job is your concern. Right? I can tell you that 110%, 200%, if you will work on your skill, you will get the job. It's very easy. I already told you, getting job in Cisco as a tech engineer is very easy for me. Within 2 days, I can get the job. So you can also get. If I can do it, then you can also do it. If I can learn the modern technology, then you can also learn the modern technology. But you have not updated. I am learning every day. This is the gap, right? So you need to reduce this gap, guys. Make a target that till last month of this year, means till December 2025, you are going to update yourself with current technologies which are running in the industry. Right? 10 years ago, you were at the parallel. Right? Here is the technology, routing and switching was in use, and you learned it and you joined the company. Correct? 10 years back. 10 years back, company was hiring routing switching engineer as well, right? Company was hiring different security engineer, different routing switching engineer. Like for routing switching, there is different engineer. For security, there is different engineer. But nowadays, companies are hiring hybrid engineer who has knowledge of everything, multiple things. So, 10 years back, you joined the company as a routing switching, and the company was working on the same technology. Now company is using all updated technology. You are also working here, but your skills are still here. You have not updated your skill. So if you are among these kinds of people, then this program can be life-changing for you. I don't know much about yourself, but if you are struggling in the industry, then if we are launching this program, then you should definitely check it. And someone was saying that I am BCA pass out, what to do? So brother, this is only for you. If we will launch this program, make sure you will join it. You will join it, and within 6 months, you will be able to start working in the industry. I will be there to help you. I will help you at every step. I love to teach people, guys. My main goal of teaching on YouTube, on social media, or in the meeting is only one. Right? Today I have many ways to earn the money. Earning money is not my goal now. Right? For earning money, I have the best option, that is corporate training. I can go with corporate training. If earning is my goal, then I should definitely go with corporate training. In a month I can take 2 to 3 corporate training, that is sufficient. I can can't make that much money in the training, but in my life I have struggled a lot. In 2017 when I entered in the IT, I was not able to speak English. So after struggling, upgrading my skill, I achieved something. Right? If you want to see the power of networking skill, then check my profile on Google. Just type Praful Mishra. I am founder of a private limited company. I am managing more than 20 people every day who are working 24/7 for me. I have trained more than 10,000 IT professionals around the globe, around 130 countries. More than 2,000 IT professionals are working in India. In every networking company, at least one of my students is working in India. At the same time, I am providing corporate training to some companies as well sometime. Now, my goal is to help those who want to achieve what I have achieved in my life. This is my single goal. That if I am on the social media, through social media, if I am the connected, then help to those all people who are below you and want to become like you. And the another thing which I am doing is, guys, I am also searching the people who have already achieved my dream. Right? For an example, I have a goal to learn F5 load balancer in next 2 weeks. In next 2 weeks, I have a goal, I have a target to learn the F5 load balancer. You know what I will do? First of all, on the social media, I am going to find those people who have already did the F5, who have the significant achievement in the F5 load balancer. I will find to those all who are above to me. And we are already connected on the internet. I am going to say, hey brother, you know, I want to reach there where you have already reached in your life. Can you help me to reach there? Where you have already reached? This is my dream. This is my dream to reach at your place. Can you help me? And I will learn from him. I will pay him. Yes, I will pay him to help me. And after that, I will learn from him. And then I will look below that, hey, is there anyone who want to achieve what I have achieved in my life? Come here. I am ready to help you. And this way, I have dreamed to build a world largest community of IT networking engineer. Right? I need a strong, large community of guys network engineers. That is the purpose of teaching online. I am already connected with 2 lakhs IT professionals and more than 10,000 on WhatsApp. So many private groups are there, Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and every week, every month we are talking. Sometimes we are connecting through the meeting, through the Zoom meeting. We are exchanging our thought. Right? If someone has taken the CCNA class from me in, let's say, 2022, he is still connected with me. He is still connected. What I told you, because my goal is to build a relationship with like-minded people, to build a good community of network engineer. This is my main goal. So that's why I'm connected with all the paid students, because those are serious guys. Right? See, at free of cost, I cannot allow everyone to come in live class. Right? There will be, that is even not possible. I cannot allow everyone publicly to come and join the live classes. So first I have to filter the serious people. People who are serious, who have dream, who are passionate, who are hard worker, like me. I am very hard worker. I am very passionate. And I am very kind person as well, guys. I cannot cheat to anybody. If I am promising X, then I always try to deliver 10x. Otherwise I can't sleep. कहते हैं ना, हराम की खाने की आदत नहीं है भाई. अगर किसी के लिए काम नहीं करेंगे तो उससे पैसे नहीं लेंगे. अगर किसी ने 5,000 पे किया है मुझे, तो ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि कैसे उसको 5,000 के बदले में 25,000 की सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करवाया जाए. राइट? बिकॉज आपके सक्सेस में, in your success, the most important thing is trust. Trust is the most important thing in your success. आप सभी के लिए है ये चीज. कहते हैं honesty is the best policy, right? आप सबके लिए है कि अगर लाइफ में, जिंदगी में हमें कुछ मिले या ना मिले, कुछ हम करें या ना करें, बट किसी के साथ धोखा मत करिए कभी. अगर कोई आप पे ट्रस्ट करके आपसे मिलने आया, आप पे इन्वेस्ट किया, राइट, तो उसकी वैल्यू करिए हमेशा. अगर आप किसी कंपनी में काम करते हैं, जॉब करते हैं, मेक श्योर कि जितनी आप लेते हैं कंपनी से, जो भी आपकी सैलरी है, उसके बदले में आप उनको आउटपुट देते हैं. हमेशा कंपनी के लिए काम करिए. ये सोच के काम करिए कि किस तरीके से कंपनी को फायदा करवाएं. अगर आप ये देखोगे कि भाई मेरा सैलरी तो आना ही आना है, टाइम पास कर देते हैं, ब्रदर, यू कैन नॉट ग्रो योर लाइफ. दिस वे आपकी लाइफ ग्रो नहीं करेगी और आपकी ड्रीम फिर अधूरी रह जाएगी. आपको ऑनेस्टी के साथ काम करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड I must tell you this, that implement some good habit in your life, like as I told you, the trust. Make sure you will not cheat to anybody in your entire life. This should be your first goal. There should be some value of what you are speaking. If you are going to work like this, if you are working in the company and if you are thinking about the company only, that okay, how I can give the maximum output to the company, then 110% your life will grow. No one can stop you to move further in your life. But if अगर आप ऐसे काम करने जा रहे हैं कि भाई सैलरी तो मेरा आना ही है, काम करना ही क्या है, ऑफिस गए भी कॉल पे बात कर रहे हैं, सीरियस नहीं है, तो सर प्रॉब्लम होगी. राइट? आप कोई भी वीडियो उठा के देख लो मेरा यूट्यूब पे, आपको चाहे वो लाइव क्लास दे रहा हूं या सिर्फ यूट्यूब के लिए बना रहा हूं, डेडिकेशन दिखेगी, मेहनत दिखेगी आपको, ऑनेस्टी दिखेगी आपको. आज 2 लाख सोशल मीडिया पे फॉलोअर, राइट? देयर आर मोर देन 2 lakhs, like 80,000 subscribers are there on YouTube, but you will not find a single bad comment on any video. You can't find a single bad comment on any video. Sometimes other institutes are even putting the bad comment, but guys, if that is less than 1%, that will be automatically hidden by the YouTube, right? तो उसको YouTube ही हाइड कर देता है. अब गूगल रिव्यू चेक करो पीएम नेटवर्किंग का, 1-2 अगर इंस्टीट्यूट ही होगा, अगर किसी ने गलत लिखा हुआ तो वो इंस्टीट्यूट का आदमी होगा, राइट? माय फैमिली मेंबर्स, टीम्स जिनको मैंने ट्रेनिंग दिया है, they all guys are loving me, who are watching my video on YouTube, who have already purchased my course, they all are loving me because I am very strict on my service, what I am providing, and I am working with honesty. Right? So this is the reason why I don't want to launch a 100% job guarantee program, because I don't want that later, maybe after 1 year, someone is commenting on YouTube that, hey Praful, I had purchased this course, 100% job guarantee course at PM Networking, but I didn't get job. And it is possible that you cannot get job. If you will not work hard, then you will definitely not get job. For the 100% job guarantee next 6 months, you have to make a goal, and every day you have to work on that goal. Step by step, there is a technique, method. Right? So you have to learn the technique and method to learn and then grow. Do not focus on grow only. And if you are the poor guys, if you cannot afford the fee of live classes, then don't need to buy the paid course. You don't need to buy the paid course then, right? We see the in the today's world, in the today era, we don't need to purchase any course on loan, right? People are purchasing the course from credit card. So if you are working in the company, if you can afford the credit card, right, you are using and then paying, no problem at all. But if you have the issue with finance, guys, if you don't have the money, then you should not purchase the paid course. Everything is available on internet at free of cost. Even on my channel, more than 1500 videos are available. Only one issue is there: things are not organized, content are not organized. You have to put more effort, you need more, you have to work more hard, you have to आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. जैसे पेड कोर्स में कम करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सारी चीज ट्रेनर ऑर्गेनाइज करके दे रहा है, वहां पे ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ सकता है क्योंकि हमें पहले सारा ऑर्गेनाइज करना है फिर पढ़ना है. बट सब कुछ तो नहीं हो सकते हैं यार, अपने पास अपना सिचुएशन पहले देखना है. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड आवर ओन सिचुएशन, दैट वेयर वी आर इन आवर लाइफ. कैन आई अफोर्ड दिस कोर्स? एम आई वर्किंग? Understand your situation and then try to make a goal that okay, from this situation how I can reach there. ये नहीं कि भाई ये कोर्स है, अगर ये किसी ने बोल दिया मुझे कि 100% जॉब मिल जाएगी, ये कर लो, आपने कहीं से लोन लेके पैसे दे दिए, 6 महीने का वेट किया, जॉब नहीं लगेगा, फिर उसका लोन क्या होगा भाई? अपनी सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमें काम करनी चाहिए, राइट? लेट मी चेक योर सम अदर कमेंट्स. सर इंग्लिश का क्या रोल है? इंग्लिश का रोल यही है कि यू शुड हैव द एबिलिटी टू एक्सप्रेस योर नॉलेज इन फ्रंट ऑफ इंटरव्यूअर इन इंग्लिश. दैट्स इट. इससे ज्यादा इंग्लिश नहीं चाहिए, इससे ज्यादा इंग्लिश नहीं चाहिए. केम छो साहब? मस्त छो साहब. श्याम, great Indian networking engineer teacher. Papun, yes, thank you so much for your good feedback. And every time guys, your comments on the social media is really motivating me a lot, right? Some people are saying you are the best networking trainer in the world, no one can teach like you, the CCNA, right? And like many good things, right? Every day more than 100 positive feedbacks, the good feedbacks are coming on my YouTube channel. Every time I am checking, right? And it motivates me. That's only motivate me to work hard, to deliver more content, to improve my teaching skills, to improve my technical skills. Try to understand, it's very important for me as well to update myself, because I am trainer as well, right? I am teaching as well. So I have to learn the updated technology, then I have to get experience, and then I have to teach. Right? सर हिंदी में नेटवर्किंग बेस्ट रहेगा कि इंग्लिश में? इंग्लिश में. आपको कोर्सेस इंग्लिश में करना चाहिए, इंग्लिश में नहीं, हिंदी में नहीं करना चाहिए, ताकि आपकी थोड़ी बहुत तो फ्लुएंसी आएगी इंग्लिश की वहां से भी, राइट? सो ट्राई टू लर्न द कोर्स इन इंग्लिश. अगर कोई टॉपिक बहुत मुश्किल है और वो समझ में नहीं आ रही है इंग्लिश की वजह से, देन यू कैन प्रीफर द हिंदी, बट कोर्सेस आपका पूरा का पूरा इंग्लिश में ही रहना चाहिए. ओके. 8 years in the telecom but wanted to do certification in network. Please share career path. I told you career path is going to be CCNA, CCNP, SD-WAN, Palo Alto and automation. Let me correct it. CCNA, CCNP, automation means basic Python, Ansible, then SD-WAN and then Palo Alto firewall will be the best career path for today's networking world. आज का जो नेटवर्क है इसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट ये पाथ रहेगा CCNA, CCNP, और आप CCNA से CCI भी ले सकते हो अगर आप फ्रेशर हो तो, CCNA से CCI। सर फ्रेशर नेटवर्क इंजीनियर सैलरी, फ्रेशर नेटवर्क इंजीनियर सैलरी आप 5 LPA एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, उसमें आपको थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, थोड़ा बहुत कम भी हो सकता है, एग्जैक्ट सैलरी नहीं बता सकता हूँ। सर फ्रेशर नेटवर्क, सर ऐसे इंग्लिश कहाँ से सीखी? इंग्लिश मैंने सुन के सीखा। मैं, आप टेडेक्स देखो, मैं टेडेक्स देखता था बहुत ज़्यादा, रात को डेली जब सोता था तो कान में हेडफोन लगा के टेडेक्स स्पीकिंग सुन रहा हूँ। और बच्ची वाले बुक पढ़ता था जो 5-6 साल के बच्चे पढ़ते हैं ना, स्टार्टिंग में मैं वो बुक पढ़ा एट द एज ऑफ 20, राइट। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो, स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करिए एकदम। अगर कोई हंसता भी है कुछ टाइम के लिए, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। If someone is laughing on your English, just ignore it. After 6 months, he will ask you to teach. This is my personal experience, right? In 2017, when I was trying to speak English, and even guys, when I started teaching online, my family members, my relatives were laughing on me that, hey, Praful, improve your at least speaking skill first. Then you should make content on social media. Many people were laughing. Every day I was receiving messages on my WhatsApp, on the call sometime. My relatives were saying, hey Praful, I have seen your video on YouTube. How you are speaking there? And you know, after 6 months, those all were again message me. And this time, those guys was asking that how you have improved your skills. How you have improved your speaking skill? Tell me, I also want to improve, right? So अगर अभी कोई हंस रहा है, just ignore it, and जब आप एक बार सीख लोगे तो फिर वो आके आपको खुद बोलेंगे कि मुझे सिखाओ। ये सब मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है यार, और 100% ट्रू है, राइट। जो मैंने देखा है वहां से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जो मेरे साथ हुआ है मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस आपको बता रहा हूँ, राइट। इफ समवन इज लाफिंग ऑन यू, because when you will start learning the speaking English for the first time at the age of 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, yes, at the age of 40 also some people are starting learning English, and within 3 to 4 months they are improving, right? So at any age you can learn anything. At any age you can learn anything, right? There is only one issue, and that issue is only in India. In India, people are hesitating to speak. This is the main issue. Why Indian people are not able to improve English fluently and are not speaking. Most of the people are not speaking. You know the reason? Hesitation. They have fear that what if others will laugh. But guys, do you know, if you have this fear that what if I will do some mistake and others will laugh, that means you are giving the remote control of your life to someone else. That hey, this is the remote control of my life, please control it, right? They will control what you will do, when you will speak English, when you will not speak English, when you will speak which language, right? So it's your life, you should decide. Others should not have control, remote control of your life, right? सर ऐसे इंग्लिश कहाँ से सीखी? सो इंग्लिश मैंने बोलने से, बच्चे वाली बुक्स पढ़ना शुरू किया, वहां से सीखा था। और अगर आप भी ऐसे करेंगे तो आपका भी 6 महीने में नेक्स्ट लेवल पे इंग्लिश जा सकता है। Which laptop is the best for CCI lab? For the CCI lab 32 GB RAM ले लो, बेस्ट रहेगा। 32 GB RAM is sufficient. Or guys, if you can afford, then you can have one server, right? Like if we are in the tech industry, in the tech industry, then we should have at least one small server for these kind of labs, like the CCI lab, SD-WAN lab, and automation lab. If you will ask to me that do you have the physical server? So you know, I have 10 physical servers, guys. 10 physical servers. Doesn't matter where I am going. First of all, I need server access and internet. Then only I can survive in my life. Without internet and my server access, I can't live. I can't survive. So if you are in the tech industry, you need to learn many things, you need to practice many things. You can have one server, or the alternative option can be you can have some space on the cloud, right? You have to pay the subscription definitely to the cloud provider, but you can make much money from having the space on cloud, because you will learn also and you will practice also, right? And you are paying very little amount to the cloud provider. So either you can purchase the physical server or you can purchase some space on the cloud from the cloud provider. Okay, San, hope it is clear. Anmol is saying, sir, can you guide me in automation in networking? Brother, how I can guide you? Tell me how I can guide you in the network automation. First you have to learn the automation. मैं भी गुजरात से बात कर रहा हूं सर. श्याम जी, मैं अभी गुजरात में नहीं हूं, मैं अभी एनसीआर में हूं. सर चैट देख लो. हाँ चैट ही देख रहा हूं. हेलो सर, हाय जोने. आफ्टर CCNA CCNP, what should I learn first? Automation and SD-WAN. You can go with SD-WAN or automation. Both are fine, right? See, this is my CCNA CCNP. After that, here is the 3 ways. Like how router select best path. If you have good command on best path selection of router, then it's time to select your best path. Here you are after CCNA and CCNP. Here is the automation. Here is the SD-WAN. Here is the firewall. You can choose any one, but you have to learn all 3. But you can start from any one. Either you can go towards SD-WAN, either you can go towards firewall, or either you can go towards automation. You need to learn all 3. You can start from anywhere. Okay, SD-WAN, automation, both are fine. Faizan, hope it is clear to you. Then Ankit is saying, sir, I want to get job in networking. How can I start? You can start from the CCNA course, master the CCNA, CCNP, then SD-WAN and one firewall, Palo Alto firewall, and make your resume. In the resume, at least mention the project, the hands-on experience. In the EVNG, you need to create the lab, your own project, you need to configure it, and as an experience, you should mention that in your resume. As a fresher, company will not hire you, right? So mention the good hands-on experience in your resume and then share your resume to the company. Definitely you will get job. Please reply to my query. Ankit, where is your query? I am 28 years old. Okay, this was your query only. You are 28 years old. I am also 28 years old. I had started my career in networking at the age of 20. Right? So I have around 10 years of experience. Said hi. Please reply to my query. Done. After CCNA and CCNP, what should we learn first? Automation and SD-WAN, both will find. Ankit Shukla. Start with free YouTube videos about network essential. There are many YouTube videos. Then start learn CCNA and prepare for your exam certification. After passing CCNA, start learning CCNP. Yes, very good. You can go with free videos on YouTube as well. That is great. I have a CCNA and I can't get job in London. After CCNA, it will be very difficult to get job, brother. First of all, you have to understand your situation, where you are. You are the completely fresher, just completed your graduation, or you are working in the industry, or you are working in any other industry, or if you are working professional, then you are working at which level, how many years of experience you have, what is your age, and according to this factor, you have to make the clear and crystal goal. At this time, definitely free YouTube videos will not help you, right? Free videos can help whom, guys? Can help those who are working in the industry and thinking that my career is stuck. He have opportunity to learn anything from the internet, because they need to learn few topics. They just need to update themselves. If someone is completely fresher, they don't know what is network. So they cannot master the networking through the YouTube videos. He needs proper guidance. Okay. After that, when does the next batch will start? Next batch for which course, brother? Next batch, as I told you, I am planning something big, guys. Let me see what I can do. Maybe I will launch this a special program, or maybe I will not launch this special program. If I will not launch this special program, then definitely my combo course will come soon. CCNA plus CCNP combo course will come soon within 10 to 15 days, right? Where I will be the trainer and timing will be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. If I will launch this special program, the 100% career growth mentorship program, then combo batch can take some time. Again, you can enroll for combo as well, because first in that batch also I am going to cover combo only, CCNA plus CCNP only. Once we will done with CCNA plus CCNP, I will start the SD-WAN and then I will start the automation. Sir, being a fresher, it's very difficult to know where hiring is on. So brother, you have to be active on LinkedIn. Like on the LinkedIn, you should share your knowledge, right? Do not post the content from ChatGPT. Type your knowledge on LinkedIn. Definitely people will respond on your profile, right? You will get multiple opportunities. You can also share your resume to company directly on their portal. In their career section, you can share your resume with proper description. Definitely company will contact you, right? What I told you, it's difficult for company to hire the skillful engineer. It's not difficult for you. It's very difficult for company to hire the correct engineers, right? So companies are suffering more than you. I have to must do CCNP. Yes, you must do CCNP, Harish. How are modern companies handling collaboration technologies? What should I learn, CCNP collaboration or something else? Yes, you can go with CCNP collaboration. That will be the great. सर सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए हेल्प करिएगा क्या आप? हाँ बिल्कुल करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे विस्ट. What's going to start, sir? Is it possible to learn CCNP without physical device experience? Brother, what I told you, you don't need physical device access. This is just wasting of time. Configuring the physical device is just wasting of time. You should avoid configuring the physical device, right? Nowadays in the modern networking, you will never find the physical devices. Even your WAN is routers are guys virtual. Will be the virtual in future. Now it is physical, but it will be also virtual in the future, right? Even nowadays the hardwares are there at site. The WAN devices are routers. WAN is router like VAs and CS. But how we are managing it? How we are accessing it? Through the vManage, through the software, right? So we should not waste your time on manual configuration or accessing the physical devices and doing the configuration there. What is the cost? Said, hi, what's involved, bro? Cost for what, brother? I didn't get you. Kali Lennox. Hi, Amit. Thank you so much for joining the PM Networking family. You are the member of this YouTube channel, and more than 700 members are there, and it's a great news for me. Today morning only I have checked, the more than 700 members are active on the channel, and now it's my responsibility to provide you the best content, at least one video in a week. By the way, complete MPLS course is available, complete Palo Alto configuration course is available, not complete course, Palo Alto complete course, but Palo Alto configuration course. Complete ASA configuration course is available and videos are available, right? So I am expecting, Amit, as you are the member of channel, all those videos are accessible for you. You are able to play any video, all the video. Hello team, please let me know the cost of this course. Kalinex, which course? Fee. My batch is over, sir. What should I get into the network. Grinding, your batch is over, what should I go into the network? I didn't get you, brother. Sir, everything I learn new things, but I forget previous one. What to do? Again, I didn't get you. Sir, is it possible to learn CCNP without physical? Yes, it is possible. My batch is over. Please keep it fee budget friendly. Yeah, fee will be budget friendly, brother. My all courses are the affordable, right? You can check the price, and I am trying to make it more affordable in future. I am trying my best. But try to understand there is a team behind me, and the most important thing is to whom I am teaching, right? Make sure when you are enrolling for any course, there is no one to disturb the batch. If fee is going to be very less, right? Like the other institutes can also join, and they can disturb the class. They can start abusing, right? I have already experienced these all things. I am teaching 4 years, right? So many factors are there. Otherwise, I am definitely trying to make the the courses more affordable, and this is the reason, guys, why membership are there on my channel, right? So that I don't want to upload all the videos publicly for everyone. Sometimes people are downloading the videos and after that they are selling, right? On many other platforms also you will find my course, CCNA course, CCNP course. Like there is one Graphy. You might have heard about the Graphy. I think Graphy is the partner of an academy, something like that, right? So I found my course there, the CCNA course. Maybe my team member or don't know who have created the course there, but I have seen just few days back, right? So many things are there. I can not make it everything free, but I am trying my best, and in future definitely I will make my courses more affordable so that everyone can afford it. That means course is free of cost. No, course is not free of cost. How old are you, sir? I am 29, 30 years. Yes, what is the price? Guys, so many comments are there. Sir, you give a small tips in short videos and some questions that are very helpful for us. Thank you so much, brother, for sharing your feedback. इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए क्या करें सर? इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए पढ़िए सर, और क्या करेंगे? कीड़े की तरह सब कुछ पढ़ जाइए, प्रैक्टिस करिए, लैब कॉन्फ़िगर करिए। सर, आप उन मेजर टॉपिक पर फोकस करते हो जो रियल टाइम में यूज होता है, और इन टॉपिक को और चैनल हाइड करते हैं, ओनली पेड कोर्स में बताते हैं। और प्रॉब्लम ये भी होता है ना कि उसके बाद जो मैं करता हूं तो मेरे पे फिर कॉपीराइट करते हैं, वहां पे प्रॉब्लम करते हैं, तो इसीलिए मेंबरशिप का वहां पे मैं लगा के रखा हूं। सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही रीजन है मेंबरशिप का। भाई कॉस्ट कितना है? अरे भाई कौन से कोर्स का कॉस्ट चाहिए? क्लाउड का, खाली लिनक्स? सर, हाउ टू ज्वाइन मेंबरशिप ऑफ यूट्यूब चैनल? अब ये तो मुझे भी आइडिया नहीं, ये तो शायद यूट्यूब का पॉलिसी है ना। मैं तो बस YouTube को बताया हूँ कि भाई ये वीडियो है, इसको ऐसा कर दो कि कोई भी इस वीडियो को देखना चाहता है तो उसको कुछ उसे चार्जेस करो, राइट? ताकि फ्री में, अगर कोई डाउनलोड करने के लिए देख रहा होगा और चाहेगा कि डाउनलोड करो तो उसको पे करना पड़ेगा पहले। अब कोई पे करके तो नहीं खरीदेगा, तो इसलिए मैंने YouTube को बोल के रखा। अब YouTube उसको कैसे किया है, नहीं किया है, इसका आइडिया मुझे भी नहीं है। शायद बहुत लोग ज्वाइन करते हैं, वो तो आप इजिली कर सकते हो। दैट्स नॉट द rocket science, it's easy. You can watch one video on YouTube how to join the channel. I have never checked that process. कोर्स फी, कौन से कोर्स? सर, हमारा जो अभी आने वाला बैच है जो मैं बता रहा था, about my special batch, the 100% career growth mentorship program. I also don't know the fee because till now we have not decided the fee, right? Yesterday just I was talking to my team because recently I have started getting lots of messages on this topic regarding the job, regarding making best career in the industry. So that's why I was planning, right? Even I cannot tell you that I will come with this program 100%, right? I am trying my best. Maybe I will come with this program, or maybe I will not come up with this program. I will start my new combo batch again. Do you sell practice lab of events? Yes, we are providing the lab, remote lab service as well. When does that batch start? If we'll plan that batch, then that batch will start in the last week of this month. In the last week of this month, because after finishing CCNA and CCNP, I also need 10 to 15 days to work on this program, because I have to organize everything, all the study materials, contents, sometimes some PPTs are required, right? So definitely if we will come with that program, then it will start in the last week of this month, and there will be 20 seats. Only 20 seats will be there, and even I am trying to reduce the seats, right? But guys, if we will reduce the seat, like let's say 15 students, but the duration is long. It will be for next 6 months, at least 5 to 6 months. Am I connected, guys? Am I connected again? Salute to all you provide, sir. Do you think cloud is going to affect the market of network? No, I don't think that cloud will increase the demand of network engineer. I have 10 years of experience, and the package is 13 LPA. You have the less LPA, brother. After 10 years, at least 25-30 should be your package, but no problem, it's fine. It's not bad as well. It's good. Sandeep, you are doing good. Can I get suggestion for future upgrade? And as of now, working in routing and switching, F5 LTM technology. Yeah, now it's you should definitely go for Python and cloud. You should definitely go for Python and cloud now. नेटवर्किंग फील्ड बहुत महंगी फील्ड है, कोर्स महंगा, सर्टिफिकेशन महंगा, और लैपटॉप भी महंगा लेना पड़ता है, अराउंड 2 लाख टू प्रैक्टिस. हाँ, और जॉब भी महंगा ही रहता है ना. फिर सान जी, जॉब भी ऐसे ही रहता है. 1-1 करोड़ के पैकेज पे नेटवर्क इंजीनियर काम कर रहे हैं, वो भी 10-12 साल के एक्सपीरियंस पे. आज अगर मैं अपनी ही बात करूं, 2017 और 2010 साल, और पैकेज तो रीच कर सकते हैं ना. तो डेफिनेटली अगर कुछ आपको अच्छा चाहिए तो अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट तो करना पड़ेगा. संदीप राज, प्लीज कैन यू टेल मी वेयर यू कंप्लीटेड योर ट्रेनिंग? Sir, I just want to start my career. Career, I worked on switching, access point to future Palo Alto, Fortinet. Check the Fortinet, Spring and those all things. Project will be a start, but here I didn't get chance to work on routing, give my best advice for the future impact. Now you can go for automation and cloud, automation cloud and SDN. For the future, automation, cloud and SDN, SD-WAN, SD-Access and ACI data center. But without experience, it's difficult to get job in cloud. Yes, so brother, in the EVNG, when you are doing the lab, that is your experience only. You will mention that as an experience, that you have experience on MPLS, you have experience on SD-WAN, you have configured this policy, that policy, XYZ. That is experience. Sir, how can I start my studying in Germany? You can start from your bedroom, from your anywhere. From your bedroom, you can start learning. Doesn't matter where you are. This is the benefit of social media. Through social media, we all are connected.